how to get PayPal client ID and secret key. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to guide you how you can do it. So let's just get started. First of all, you need to head over to developer.paypal.com in your preferred browser and basically log it into your account. If you're not logged in, at the top left, you should be finding a menu. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will be finding a login option. You can just go ahead and click on it, and once logged in, you can click on get started and head over to the website of developer.paypal.com. Now, once you are logged in here directly, you should be finding some options. So you can look out for the credentials option, and right beside it, you should be finding your client ID. Similarly, if you want to look out for your secret phrase, you can go ahead and create up an app and create up a separate secret phrase for yourself. So we have this option of app by default application. You may drop it down, and once you drop it down, a test panel option appears on your screen right beside the default application. You may just click on it, and once clicked on it, menu appears like this. So from the logs option, we can head over to test accounts, one of the test accounts, click on it and create up a test application, or you can just go ahead and create in one. And here you will be finding some ID, including that here you should be finding a secret key option. So you can look out for this icon right beside it, click on it and copy and paste it if you want to copy and paste it, and there you go. This is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.